New electric crossover Lucid Gravity. The American company Lucid Motors presented its first crossover model, Lucid Gravity, aimed at the global market. This new product immediately attracts attention with its dimensions and technical characteristics. Main characteristics of Lucid Gravity: body length, 5,030 mm width, almost 2 meters height, 1,656 mm wheelbase, 3,035 mm weight, from 2,676 to 2,744 kilograms. This is a fairly massive car, combining external solidity with high performance, transmission and dynamics. The model is equipped with an all-wheel drive system with 2 electric motors, with a total power of 828 horsepower and a maximum torque of 1,233 nanometers. Thanks to this, acceleration from 0 to 100 is achieved in just 3.4 seconds. The top version of Grand Touring will be available to buyers before other modifications. A slightly lower-spec Touring version is expected later, with an estimated output of around 620 horsepower. The car is equipped with a 123 kWh battery co-developed by Lucid and Panasonic engineers. The platform supports voltages up to 926 volts, enabling fast charging up to 400 kW in ideal conditions. Thanks to the advanced design and low drag coefficient just 0.24, it provides a long range of up to 450 miles on the EPA cycle. Testing and reliability. Before launching, Lucid put the Gravity through extensive testing, demonstrating the level of quality and durability of its products. The car had to go through extreme conditions: desert highways, Arctic cold, rocky roads, and strong vibrations, to ensure it could withstand real-world stress. Special attention was paid to the suspension and vehicle control electronics. For example, an active suspension with adjustable ride height and integrated control systems provide excellent handling even at high speeds and on poor roads. Interior and technology. The interior of the Lucid Gravity is made in a premium style, with an emphasis on the quality of materials and ergonomics. The car is equipped with a large number of amenities and technologies: a huge 34-inch high-definition OLED screen in the center of the dashboard, a multimedia system with augmented reality support, improving the perception of the road situation, a second-level autopilot function with various driver assistance, occupant convenience, a 3-row cabin layout, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, additional options such as massage functions and personal tables, an additional dynamic chassis tuning system. Dynamic handling is optionally available for $2,900, allowing you to manually change the stiffness and position of the suspension. Pricing and availability. The first deliveries of the Lucid Gravity will begin in the United States and Canada in the fall of 2025. The top-of-the-line Grand Touring version will be priced at around $95,000, $8,095,000. A less expensive Touring version will appear later, with an expected price tag of $80,000. The model is planned to be presented in Europe in 2026 at a price of around $100,000. Thus, the Lucid Gravity is a powerful, technologically advanced, and comfortable premium electric crossover that can compete with leading manufacturers in the electric vehicle market.